Hey guys, it's Connor Bliss and bringing you an Elite International, a 90-94 International Elite Player Pack. And I got this for completing all of the base live events. I get 91 JJ Barea, who I'll just sell. And then, but if we look at auctions, let's just see who we could have pulled. JJ Barea, Rick Fox, Steve Core, Ronaldo Blackman. Is that it? There's not really much people you could pull. It says 90-94, but I'm not seeing anyone higher than a... There's only like 3... Okay. Scared Bessier. He's a 93. And then there's a 95 and higher people. So I might be able to get. Because I am just 4 short of being able to get a collectible. So I'll definitely be able to get 2. But I don't know if I'll be able to get the 5 I need. But this is Connor Bliss signing out. Peace.